Hi, this is Jeline from the Honors Tutorial. Our topic for today is about finding the least common multiple. This is under Mathematics 5. So we have here the first method, the listing method. So for example, we have here 18 and 24. Let's have here our solution. For the listing method, we have to write 18 here below and 24 here below. Then let's write equal sign here. And then let's start skip counting. Are you familiar with skip counting? So this is what we are going to do. So 18 times 1, that's 18. What is 18 times 2? That is 36. 18 times 3, what's the answer? That is 54. How about 18 times 4? What's the answer? That is 72. Let's stop here. 24. 24 times 1 is 24. What is 24 times 2? That is 48. And what is 24 times 3? That is 72. So now you will get the first number that is similar to 18 and 24, and that is 72. So the LCM here using listing method is 72. So that's the answer for example 1. Let's have another. How about 28 and 42? Again, 28 and 42. Same process. Let's write solution here. And then let's write the numbers here. 28 equals 42 equals. So we have here 28 times 1 is 28. How about 28 times 2? That is 56. How about 28 times 3? That is 84. Next, 42. 42 times 1 is 42. How about 42 times 2? That is 84. Now we can see what number they match, and that is 84. So the LCM here is equal to 84. Let us have another example. So this is just for listing method. What if I have here 30 and 75? Let's look for the LCM of 30 and 75. Let's write 30 here. Here below. And 75 below. Let's write equal sign. 30 times 1, that's 30. 30 times 2, that's 60. 30 times 3, that's 90. 30 times 4, that's 120. And 30 times 5, that's 150. How about 75? 75 times 1 is 75. 75 times 2, that's 150. So we can see now that they match in 150. So therefore, the LCM for example 3 is equal to 150. How about this? We have here 45, 75, and 100. So let us have our solution. Let's write 45, 75, and 100 here below. So that's 45, 75, and 100. Don't forget to write equal sign. Let's start with 45. 45 times 1, that's 45. 45 times 2, that's 90. How about 45 times 3? That's 135. How about 45 times 4? That's 180. Let's stop here. Let's continue it later if there's no number that is similar to 45, 75, and 100. Let's start with 75. 75 times 1, that's 75. 75 times 2, that's 150. 75 times 3, that's 225. And 75 times 4, that's 300. Oh, there's no number that match. So therefore, we have to continue 45 and 75. How about 100? So we have here 100. 100 times 2, 200. 100 times 3, 300. I know that you noticed that 75 and 100 is much in 300, but 45 doesn't contain yet 300. So therefore, we have to continue skip counting. 100 times 4 is 400. 100 times 5 is 500. 100 times 6 is 600. 100 times 7 is 700. 100 times 8 is 800. And 100 times 9 is 900. So let's continue. For 45, we stop with 1, 2, 3, 4. 45 times 4, that's 180. So now let's have 45 times 5, that's 225. So as you can see in here, 45 and 75 match with 225, but 100 doesn't contain 225. So we have to look for a number that 45, 75, and 100 both contains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's try 45 times 6. So that's 270. And then 45 times 7. That's 315 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's try 8. 45 times 8. That's 360 here. Okay. And then let's try 45 times 9. That's 405. And 45 times 10, that's 450 here. So let's proceed with 75. So we have here 300. So let's try 75 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 375. Now let's try 75 times 6. That's 450. But again, we cannot choose 450 though they have the same um value of 450, but for 100, it does not contain any 450. So let's continue. 450, so it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's have 45 times 11. That's 495. 45 times 12, that's 540. 45 times 13, that's 585. And then let's continue. Let's have 75. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's have 7. 75 times 7, that's 525. So 75 times 8, that's 600. 75 times 9, that's 675. 75 times 10, that's 750. 75 times 11, that's 825. And 75 times 12 is 900. So let's continue solving for 45. So we have here 585. Let's continue. So we have here 585. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So 45 times 14, that's 630. So like 630. 45 times 15, that's 675. Let's continue. 45 times 16, that's 720. Continue again. 45 times 17, that's 765. 45 times 18, that's 810. 45 times 19, that's 855. And 45 times 20, that's 900. So as you can see here, we have here the number that all of 45, 75, 100 contains, and that is 900. So therefore, the LCM here is equal to 900. Okay, so that is all for the part 1 of this topic. Please watch the part 2 for you to gain a lot of knowledge about this and for you to study the next method that we are going to use. Okay? So if you have further questions or inquiries about the honors tutorial, kindly message us in our FB page. Thank you and God bless.